Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name in French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French names too, so make sure to stay tuned. So in English this is often pronounced as Paillard. Now in French it is said as Paillard. Paillard, so it's not that far off, but in French the D is silent indeed. So if you want to make it sound a little more French, you could say it as Paillard, Paillard, rather than Paillard, because in French again, Paillard, Paillard. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting French names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.